soft glow of the street lamps. A lone figure walks in whispers, he steams. Raindrops dance on the concrete. Echoes of life, hear quiet of the night. Under the sky, so dark and vast, car horns fade into a peaceful past. Each drop a story, each light a guide. Through the storm, his thoughts find a stride. Whispering rain, a lullaby, soothe the soul like a gentle sigh. City lights flicker softly. In the rain we find what we're looking for. In the silence the world slows down. Memories flow like raindrops on the town. Each step a new chapter, a fresh start. In the rain we find our heart. Raindrops hit the pavement, a steady beat. Lone walker lost in thought, a sweet retreat. City whispers back in a soft melodic tone. In the rain, we're never alone. Through the night, the rain keeps falling, guiding us where we need to go. Calling in the lane, we find our way to a place where the heart finds its play. Each drop a note, each light a star. In the rain, we find our inner part. City lights flicker softly. In the rain, we find our inner part. City lights flicker softly. In the rain, we find what we're looking for. Whispering rain, a lullaby, soothe the soul like a gentle sigh. City lights flicker softly.